Hello honeybees, and welcome back to my bite-sized NightBot tutorials, where I aim to help you get along with NightBot just a little bit better. Today we are going to review, and I am starting from a point where I assume that you know how to get to nightbot.tv and log in with your credentials, and that you already have joined the channel and made NightBot moderator in your YouTube setting. I'm also going to assume that you have watched my video on how to create a custom command and do not need a full rundown on how to do that. We are just going to review how to create a custom command. So here we go. So I want to create a custom command for my friend Ursula at OM Granny Square. And so I am going to go to add command and type OM Granny Square. And then I'm going to write the message. I already had one that I liked for her. It says, please check out the beautiful and talented Ursula, the author of the Count My Blessings shawl and pattern, at her YouTube profile URL. I've put it on a cooldown of 3 minutes, and I'll save. And I want to create an alias that works the same way. Do you remember how to do that? We're going to go to add command, and we're going to type !Ursula. And we can leave the message blank because it's going to run the exact same message. And in the alias box, we are going to type OM Granny Square and save. That was our review on custom commands, and I'm very proud of you. Now let's create a custom command with the user tag. Add command, and we're going to name this one !Easter egg, and then we are going to type into the message box gives $, open parentheses, user, close parentheses, and Easter egg. So now when someone types !Easter egg into the chat, it will look like NightBot is saying it gives that person an Easter egg. And I will come up with something cleverer than that later on. So I'm going to set that to 5 minutes because I want it to be something rarer to find, and save. The user tag is a convenient way to create automated responses that are personalized and fun based on commands entered into the chat. There are a variety of contexts in which you can use it very effectively. Now that you can use the user tag, let's move on to creating a link that refers back to a person's YouTube profile. This is accomplished with a similar tag called user ID. So let's add a command and call it !Share. And in the message box, we're going to type $, open parentheses, user, close parentheses, would like you to swing by their channel and check it out. exclamation point. And we are going to type in the URL https://www.youtube.com/channel/$ open parentheses user ID close parentheses. Please support our Yarny community! Exclamation point. And we want everyone to be able to do it, and we want a cooldown of about 3 minutes. And save. You've done it, honeybee. As I said before, I'm very, very proud of you. I want you to give yourself a pat on the back, breathe, remember technology is a step-by-step process, and have a beautiful day. I hope you enjoyed my bite-sized NightBot tutorials, and if I think of anything else to add, I will post it in a part 4 coming very soon. Thank you for joining me on Sunflower's Creator Showcase in Crochet. Please like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get all of my uploads.